What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about, you guessed it, just by the title of the video, right? So first of all, think of this. If you're losing money trading, it's going to be because of these three common mistakes, right? So what I want you to do is I want you to stick around and learn how to fix them. And once you're done with this video, go ahead and join my free public Telegram group. Links down in the description below. All right. And you're going to be following the free trade setups that I send on, I think, a bi-week. All right, on a bi-weekly basis, you're going to get some setups that will definitely make you money. Now, what you need to know beforehand is you need to be able to trade. You need to know how to trade. And if you do not have any entry model going for you, what you can do is you can go and watch all of my YouTube videos, right? So if you want an entry model, go ahead and watch all my YouTube videos. Right, my YouTube videos, specifically the Enigma playlist. All right, we're going to go and watch the Enigma playlist. Right, so first of all, let's consider mistake number one. Right, so mistake number one is basically overtrading. Now, overtrading is something that we all suffer on a day-to-day basis, right? Why? We take a trade and then we end up giving back all of the gains that we actually made. Right, so new traders, what they do is they chase every signal. They freaking fall for the problem of FOMO because they go to Twitter, they go to Instagram, and they see all these people catching trades. But the reality of things is they are not really catching it. They are just buy limit orders with the limit part covered. They are simply front running. Now, what do I mean by front running? It means that all these people with their communities, they're going to say that they took these trades, but they never really gave it out to their followers in the first place, right? So take me, for instance. I still suffer from the problem of overtrading. It's purely psychological, right? So what happens when you suffer from overtrading? You are going to make money, and then at the end of the day, you are going to lose all that you made plus some more. Right, so this is exactly what's going to happen to you. Now, this happened to me last week. So last week, what happened was I shorted Bitcoin, right, looking for 105K, and it just kept on smashing higher. And what happened? I made in the past 2 weeks, and this is for my hedge fund. So my investors were pretty disappointed, but I assured them that I will indeed make the money back because that's who I am. That's what I do. It's full transparency, right? And the real test of a guru, let's say, is when you give that guru your money and watch him or her make money with it, right? Watch him or her make money with it, and you're going to be in it in the long haul. It's literally there for the long run, right? So what happens is this. When you're overtrading, this is what happens, right? What you can do is, if you are interested, you can definitely join Uncle Shawnee's trading den and you can gain access to the profitable setups that I send over. Now, yes, some trades are going to be losers, but most of them are going to be winners. And if I think that the markets are not worth trading, I will tell you. And if I tell you this, it's a signal by which you should not be trading. Therefore, that completely eliminates the problem of overtrading. All right. Now, let's go into the second problem. Now, the second problem is basically you ignoring risk management. Right? Now, see, risk management is essentially you controlling your losses because losses are inevitable. And if you cannot control your losses, your account is going to go to zero. Right? So what you should do is you should never, ever risk more than 1% of your account. Why? Because if you risk 1% and you literally go on an overtrading streak, you're going to lose your damn money in 100 trades. But if you risk less than 1%, you're going to lose your money from, 200 plus trades to 1,000 plus trades, which is an impossibility. If you control your damn mind, if you control your freaking inner demons, let's say, you can definitely manage your risk properly and not blow your account, right? So the only way that you can do this, the only way that you can prevent overtrading and the only way that you can have proper risk management is to set a particular time interval by which to trade the markets. So what does that mean for me? Let's say for me, for example, I can only trade during the following macro, during 340. I'm only going to give you one because I'm not going to give you everything. Only between 340 to 5 EST. That is my London session trading interval that I should be taking trades in, because this is when price is most primed to move and no one, not even the freaking central banks, can change it. Why? Because this is the London session. It's not like you can freaking create time, right? You can't. You can only buy time. Right? And this is the time interval by which price is primed to retrace or reverse. Therefore, I will only be taking trades inside of this. So I have a 1 hour 20-minute interval to either be right or wrong. And if I take any trade more than that, who's the fool? I am the fool. All right? Cool. Now, let's consider mistake number 3. Right? So mistake number 3 is going to be having no trading plan. Now, everything that I've been telling you guys since the beginning of this video essentially showed you the importance of a trading plan. I gave the time of day you should be trading. I gave you that the fact that you need to be having an entry model to be trading. These are all of the small things that you need to have in your daily trading routine. Because if you do not have a trading plan, what's going to happen is it's going to lead to losses into 100 other times of you losing, right? So what can you do? Here's what you can do, right? So you can create a checklist, right? Oh my God, you can create a checklist, right? Entry criteria, exit rules, and of course, risk management. So what does this really mean? Because Sean, you're giving me a freaking very general idea of things. Fine. Look at this. For example, let's take a look at my London trading model, right? London trading model. What is the entry criteria? I need price to hit a key level. I need price to do a fractal inducement, right? And then what's my entry model? I need price to form a valid swing after a fractal fake out. Not take out, man. Come on. Autocomplete fake out. All right. So I need a fake out. And finally, what are my exit rules? Get out at 3 standard deviations of my N30 projective terminus. Right? It's as simple as that. Now, what is my risk management? My risk management is basically telling me risk less than 0.5% and stop when the same trade idea has 2 losses. Okay, that would be an example of a trading model or a trading plan for the London session. So these basically are the problems that every new trader has. And if you are a new trader, please do not overtrade. Okay, just because the markets are moving, it does not mean that particular impulse is your entry, because you will see that when price does an impulse, it's 100% going to come back and screw you over, right? And the second thing is, do not ignore risk management, right? You are going to be keeping your risk less than 1%. Don't fall for this, oh, I'm an account flipper, oh, come join me, oh, I'm going to help you flip your account. You can flip your account by doing 5%, 10% per trade. Run fucking far away from these people. Okay? And finally, no trading plan. You need to have a trading plan. No trading plan means losses. If you're going to be saying screw a job, screw a 9 to 5, if you're coming into trading, my friend, you are gonna go straight back to your 9 to 5 if you have no trading plan. You're not coming into the markets to lose money. You're coming into the markets to make money in the long run. And the only way to do that is to risk less, manage your risk, manage your trading plan, and manage your damn mental health. All right? That is all you need to do. So, if you found this insightful, please do join my free Telegram group. My goodness, what's wrong with my freaking speech? The link is down in the description below. And if you are looking to get trading signals or trading setups every single day, you can definitely join Uncle Shawnee's trading den. Simply go to my website www.finsurfcorp.net and join Uncle Shawnee's trading den. All right. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Good luck and good trading. Bye bye.